What emotional toll does awaiting a criminal verdict take? Imagine sitting in a quiet room, but your mind is anything but quiet. The wait for a verdict can feel like an endless loop of questions and fears. When someone faces a criminal trial, the period before the verdict is announced can be incredibly stressful. It's a time filled with uncertainty about what the future holds. Will they be found guilty or not guilty? That question hangs in the air, making it hard to focus or relax. This waiting period can cause a lot of anxiety. Defendants often feel helpless because they can't control the outcome. They might worry about losing their freedom, reputation, or even their job. The stress can be so intense that it affects their sleep, appetite, and ability to concentrate. Sometimes, people experience physical symptoms like headaches, fatigue, or stomach issues because of the mental strain. The longer the trial drags on, the worse these feelings can become. People may start to feel hopeless or develop negative thoughts about their future. It's common for defendants to feel overwhelmed or depressed during this time. This emotional toll doesn't just affect the person on trial. It can also impact their families and loved ones. Family members often feel helpless and anxious, too, because they want the best outcome but can't do much to influence it. From a legal point of view, this emotional stress can even affect how well a defendant participates in their own defense. If they are overwhelmed or anxious, they might find it harder to communicate clearly with their lawyer or understand the proceedings. That's why defense attorneys often try to support their clients emotionally and may suggest counseling or coping strategies. In court, emotional displays like crying or showing remorse can influence how judges or juries see a defendant. Sometimes, showing emotion can make a person seem more genuine, but it can also be misinterpreted and lead to unfair judgments. That's why it's important for legal teams to help their clients manage their emotions during this time. To help reduce the emotional toll, defendants can be given clear information about what to expect and how long the process might take. Support from mental health professionals can also be very helpful. Preparing clients for the emotional ups and downs of waiting can make a big difference in how they cope. In the end, waiting for a verdict can be a roller coaster of feelings. Anxiety, fear, and uncertainty are common, but with proper support and understanding, defendants can better handle this challenging period. Recognizing the emotional toll is key to ensuring they are treated fairly and compassionately throughout the criminal justice process.